Hello, my name is Jason Hagedorn, Product and Application Specialist at Caterpillar. Here today we're by the 972 MXE. To maximize production, revenue potential, and profitability while controlling operating costs through low fuel consumption, Caterpillar leverages many designs to achieve these goals. Up front with the Performance Series buckets, what you'll note is with a longer floor and more open throat design, you will achieve 10% higher production payloads through higher fill factors while having 5 to 7% lower fuel consumption. The longer floor and more open throat allows better pile penetration and rollback angle. Going around turns, it's imperative not to spill material around the job site, and this design with the rounded sidebars helps retain that material. In the middle here, you'll see an integrated spill guard. This is to protect your hinge pin components and cab glass as you're driving around the site, whether you're down low or up high. But at the same time, it's important for the operator to be able to see into this bucket with it fully rolled back to know when it is full, get off the throttle, and move on to do your work. What's also important to power this wheel loader through the pile is the hydraulic system design behind it. Caterpillar leverages the hydraulic system that has high lift force as well as flow compensation. What that allows an operator to do is go smoothly through the pile in one motion while simultaneously lifting and racking to get that bucket full. We also use what's known as load sensing hydraulics. Like the human heart, it only pumps as fast as needed, and therefore you lower fuel consumption. As far as the linkages, all of our two models, the 62, 72, and 82, have 8 to 9 inches higher hinge pin height than their smaller brother or sister, so allowing you better dump clearance as well as reach into your trucks and hoppers. Additionally, to maximize the bucket size, you'll note that we have the aggregate handler packages. That larger counterweight combined with that bigger bucket size for a common density, you'll note that we can have a payload on this machine is a rated 10 tons up to 11 tons with our payload policy. But to enhance stability, it's also important as we have that bigger bucket up top, you'll notice we have low profile tires on this design. Not affecting your dump clearance because they are the same outer diameter, the wider stance of these tires helps with your stability side to side, and everything behind this front axle is counterweight. So even the rear tires and rims act as more counterweight, giving you better stability. When we talk about traction and flotation, these tires also help with the flotation because of their wider stance. But then let's combine that with our driveline benefits. The driveline here from the 950 through the 972M is a disc type differential lock, 100%, on-the-go activation. As far as the propulsion of the machine, the 972 MXE is a fully power split transmission combining a hydrostatic and mechanical power path that allows us to decouple engine speed and ground speed, and this machine will have up to 25% lower fuel consumption than the standard 972 with lockup clutch. Going a little deeper for certain applications, for on-highway truck loading, Caterpillar's fully integrated payload system, known as CPM, Caterpillar Production Measurement, it's fully integrated from a hydraulic temperature compensation and position sensing standpoint, and therefore we have what's known as low lift weigh and dynamic tip-off, allowing an operator to go up to the truck one time, reducing cylinder wear, cycle time, and fuel consumption to load out the truck. When it comes to load and carry for charging hoppers or building stockpiles, it's important for operators to gain the benefits of the maximum speed of the machine. Therefore, the hydraulic system utilizes a dual accumulator ride control system for the industry-leading cushioning around the job site. Rounding out the discussion on fuel consumption, it's important to talk about the cooling package design. We want to minimize the fan speed not only to control fuel costs, but also lower noise levels around the job site. Caterpillar pulls the air in the back where it's cleanest. Going through a rear screen, any debris will fit through the cooler cores, and also as it comes out the side, we're pushing away dirt and debris coming up from the tires. In the main monitor display, it's also important to note that there is a standard option on the machine for economy mode, as well as an engine idle timer. The economy mode is intelligent as it does not impact the first gear rim pull or torque to load the bucket. Only in your travel gears will we clip out the max acceleration and therefore saving you fuel. For more information, please contact your local Caterpillar dealer.